When I knew that it was pumpkin week coming up, I started to think of what we could do. Maybe we could dissect a pumpkin, but we did that last year. And then I thought maybe we could do some pumpkin crafts, but we've done a lot of pumpkin crafts over the years and we were starting to run out of ideas. Then I wondered maybe decorate a pumpkin, but that has been done countless times before. So my kids and I put our heads together and we came up with a new idea. We decided to do Pumpkin Olympics. Yep, you heard me right, Pumpkin Olympics. We came up with a bunch of games that we could do together to test our skills, to test the pumpkins, and basically just to have a lot of fun. So you can watch what we got up to and maybe think of some of your own ideas or use ours and have a Pumpkin Olympics of your own. As we go through between each game, I'm going to test your knowledge a little bit, see if I can trick you a little bit. I'm going to tell you something about pumpkins and you need to decide whether you think it is true or false. Okay, are you ready to watch? Let's go. Here's our first true or false question. Pumpkins are a vegetable. What do you think? It's false. They're a fruit. And they're off. Amelia takes a quick lead, concentrating there. The pink welly's giving her a bit of extra speed, but oh no, Ezra comes in to take the lead and disaster strikes. Another true or false. All parts of the pumpkin are edible. What do you think? True or false? It's true, although check before you eat them. The competitors are eagerly climbing the hill, ready for the pumpkin roll. It's a tense moment as they all line up. And here we go, let's get ready. And they're off down the hill really quickly. There's one there, one in the middle, and that one's still going. Pumpkins grow only in Europe and North and South America. True or false? False, they grow everywhere. Now it's a battle of poise and patience with the pumpkin balance. They've been practicing for at least 7 minutes before this, but not paying off for many of them. But oh, wait, let's zoom in here. Look at that, as still as a statue. The pumpkin is hardly moving. Oh, we've got good technique over here too, and not quite so good over there, but lots of great trying. Well done, team. Get those brains ready again. Pumpkin means small planet. What do you think? Is that true or false? Does it mean small planet? It's false. It means large melon. This is one that the crowds of spectators here have been waiting for. It's the pumpkin float, inspired by poo sticks, but there seems to be a bit of a problem there. There's only 2 pumpkins in there. Is this a false start? What's going on here? I think it's all over. But it isn't. We've got our 3rd pumpkin joining the race. It's exciting, it's thrilling, it's very, very slow. We'll come back to this race in a little bit. It's half time now. Before we head back to that competition, do you think pumpkins can make freckles disappear? True or false? False, but people used to think it. Back to the pumpkin float, and it seems like there have been a few difficulties and the players have fallen asleep. Oh, wake up, here we go. Gonna have to try some different techniques to speed this up a little bit. Oh, I don't know if that's quite fair play, but let's see how it goes. Finally, they're collecting their pumpkins, ready for the next competition. There are a lot of seeds inside pumpkins. How many do you think? 1,000? Nope, 500. A cross between golf and bowling. This is a brand new event for the Pumpkin Olympics this year. Look at that technique. Players have got to get to the square with as few rolls as possible. It looks like Ezra's getting in there with 6. Oh, I don't know if that's the correct technique there, Eben. Amelia's still going. Look at that determination. She's got both legs and arms in it. And yes, hole in 12. We're getting towards the end now, but here's another true or false. There's a type of pumpkin called rock star. True or false? It's true. Our penultimate pumpkin event is the pumpkin hunt, but let's speed this up a little bit. There we go. True or false? The actual word pumpkin was first mentioned in Cinderella. What do you think? It's true. They're gearing up for a final throw, and yep, it's a slam dunk. Now it's time to head home for hot chocolate, making bird feeders, and passing that Olympic torch on. Well, we've come to the end of our nature workshop. It was a little bit different this week, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you do any pumpkin Olympics of your own, please ask your grown-up to tell me about it or send a picture. I would absolutely love to see what you've done. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon.